Hi everyone, this is Venkateshwar from Venkateshwar School. In today's session for class 10th Biology, Chapter 8, How Do Organisms Reproduce? Part 1, we will be studying the following topics. What is reproduction? Types of reproduction, that is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Modes of asexual reproduction, fission and budding.
Reproduction. Reproduction may be defined as the production of new generation individuals of same species that are physically independent of their parents. Now let's study the two types of reproduction. The two main types of reproduction are sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Now let's study what is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction may be defined as the production of offsprings by a single parent without meiosis, formation of gametes, fertilization, and transfer of genetic material between the individuals. Sexual reproduction is defined as the process in which two parents are involved. There is production of gametes, fertilization, and zygote formation is observed. Meiosis occurs at the time of gamete formation. Asexual reproduction is of following types: fission, fragmentation, regeneration, budding, spore formation, vegetative propagation in plants, propagation by tissue culture. Now, let's study fission in detail. Fission is a common method of asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms such as bacteria, yeast, diatoms, mycoplasma, and protozoans like amoeba and paramecium. It involves the splitting of a parent into two or more than two separate daughter cells. Asexual reproduction by fission may be further divided into two types: binary fission and multiple fission. Now let's study what is binary fission. This is a division of parent cell into two small, nearly equal sized identical daughter cells. So fission of single parent cell results in the formation of two new unicellular organisms. Hence it is called binary fission. Fission usually occurs in unicellular organisms such as amoeba, paramecium, and leishmania, which causes kala azar. Now, multiple fission. This is a division of parent cell into several small, nearly equal sized daughter individuals. During multiple fission, the nucleus of the parent cell divides several times into many daughter nuclei. Then the daughter nuclei along the periphery of the parent cell lead to the cytoplasm into as many pieces as the number of nuclei. Each uninucleate pieces develops an outer membrane. Finally, the parent cell divides into several nucleate daughter individuals which behave as independent organisms. This type multiple fission is found with parasite Plasmodium. Now, the next type of fission is budding. Formation of a new individual from an outgrowth of a parent individual is called budding. Budding occurs in yeast, some protozoans, and certain lower animals like hydra, etc. In multicellular organisms such as hydra, a bulging on the body appears as a result of repeated mitotic divisions in the cells. It results in the formation of lateral outgrowth, which is known as bud. The bud enlarges in size by further divisions of the cells and attain the shape of a parent to which it is attached. Finally, it separates from the parent body and start behaving as a new hydra. The most common example of budding is yeast, which is a fungus. Budding takes place under favorable condition that is when it grows in sugar solution. During this process, a small bud-like outgrowth appears at the end of the parent cell, which gradually enlarges in size. The nucleus enlarges and divides into two daughter nuclei. One daughter nuclei goes into the bud and the other remains in the parent. Gradually, the bud becomes almost the same size as the parent cell. Then a constriction appears at the base of the bud, separating the wall is laid. Sometimes bud may produce another bud over it, which still remain attached to the parent, forming a false mycelium, that is pseudomycelium. Thank you.